Go.
Young children. Gerber Life is accepting applications for their affordable grow-up plan. The
Push
grow-up
the
plan
pedal.
$20,000 in whole life insurance
backwards.
protection now.
Hold on, Julian.
Automatically to
Go backwards.
$20,000 later at no extra cost. Free information will be
First
sent
button.
to parents and grandparents who call now.
Yeah.
Help give your child a head start for just pennies a day. Don't wait. Call now for free information.
Calm down, Dad.
Call 1-800-523-3344.
Push the button.
Call now.
Forward.
Now back to Kung Fu Panda Legends of Awesome.
Forward, Bubba's push forward.
This way?
The first button, yeah, push it up. Go ahead.
He's running a battery.
Okay, go backwards.
Press backwards. Let me take this outside.
No, you put it on high.
Is there a way of doing this that doesn't involve
Reverse. Okay.
He wants to get down.
The biggest monster truck is crush this little car.
No, he wants to get down. He doesn't. He's scared of it, I think.
Hold on. Let me explain handcuffs to you.
Basically by my eye.
Alright,
What's wrong, Julian?
change and go work.
He's scared.
We hand it over.
Call Allstate. She just hit a car.